In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock over here. Now pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Click on the chosen one and create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit clear at the bottom right corner and redo it. When you're ready, hit next also at the bottom right corner and repeat your login method to confirm it. Last but not least, hit confirm and answer this question. What do you want your lock screen to show? Click on one of those options, show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, select Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!